Hey guys, Chrissy Etheridge here, the Oilist, and I am so excited that you have decided to start your journey with doTERRA. And whether or not that means you just want to buy one oil or you want to get started with a membership, I'm going to show you how to do that. So the very first thing I'm going to do is just share my screen so I can show with you exactly what to expect. So you just open up a tab. I love Google, but anyway, you can go to any search bar, but my recommendation is to go to mydoterra.com/the Oilist, and that'll get you right to my website. So as you can see, there's going to be a lot of options here. Definitely some videos if you're interested in learning about essential oils. I'm going to open this up just so we can see each other a little bit more. Bring this down. Okay. So you can learn about what essential oils are. You can learn why doTERRA is so amazing as a company, and you can also, just learn a little bit more about essential oils. So there's some videos to watch. So there's two ways to buy essential oils through doTERRA. You can buy them retail, just like any other retail store that has an online business. You can purchase your essential oils. I would recommend this for somebody who is not quite sure whether or not essential oils are something that you want to use on a regular basis. You just want one or two essential oils and you're not sure about anything else. I would definitely recommend this option right here. So you would click the shop tab and you would put in anything that you want specifically into your cart. Now you can see here the difference between retail and wholesale. And so there is a 25% difference between the two. So let's say that you said, okay, well, wait a minute, Chrissy, I might want more than just one essential oil. What about this wholesale membership? So let's talk about it. So a wholesale membership is available for those that want 25% off, are considering to buy essential oils on a regular basis, and possibly even want to get free essential oils in their home. And so with the wholesale membership, there are several options. You can start with a $35 membership fee, which gives you 25% off for the year. Now, there's no minimums that you have to order monthly. There's no requirements to buy. You just have to buy once a year to keep the membership going. Now, there are some monthly loyalty reward programs that are available that allow you to get free products if that's something that you're interested in doing, and I'll share with you that in a second. But to get started, you would click Join and Save right here at the top. And you can see that there's two different options. You would either pick a wellness advocate or a wholesale customer. Most people start out with a wholesale customer account. The discounts are the same. As you can see, you're going to get 25% product discount. You have access to the loyalty monthly reward program. You can get free products of the month participating in that loyalty rewards. You also get shipping reward points that gives you money back for shipment. It's really pretty awesome. Now, if you choose the Wellness Advocate avenue, then you are saying that you are considering earning a commission with doTERRA by sharing the wonderful essential oils of doTERRA with other friends and family. And you would, when you registered, you would enter in your Social Security number or your tax ID so doTERRA can send you a 1099 for your commission checks. Okay, so those are the two differences. So whichever one you decide, you would click Join doTERRA down here at the bottom. You would pick where your products are going to be shipped. So what country, United Kingdom, United States, Mexico, Hong Kong, you would pick your country that you would like your products to be shipped, and then you would pick English or Spanish. So once you go into the Continue section, now is your option to enter in all of the information about yourself. And when you do this, you are going to create a password here. This is going to be connected to your Wellness ID number. So you're going to get a number via email when you register, and you're going to take that Wellness ID number and use the password that you created, and that's how you're going to log into your account. Okay? So down here at the bottom, you can see you're going to pick Wellness Advocate or Wholesale Customer, and whichever option that you choose is totally fine. You pick. If you decide to do Wholesale Customer and maybe someday down the line you decide that you want to share the essential oils with others, then you can upgrade. It's super easy, so don't worry about that. You want to click this box right here to acknowledge that you confirm that you want to be a wholesale customer and you agree to the terms and conditions. You can click on here to read that. If you've used the my.doterra.com/the oil list, then it's automatically connected to my account. And I am going to receive a commission when you enroll under me. And this is how you connect to our team and to become part of our network of Team Oilist. So right here, you would just make sure that my information is loaded in there, and then you would click continue. Now, if I go into click continue right now, it's going to say, wait a minute, you didn't fill out any of this stuff that's recommended. But when you start getting into, you're going to pick your kit. The very first option is going to be an option. I'm going to stop sharing for just a minute. We're going to chit chat. The very first option is just going to be the wholesale membership. That's the $35 option. Now, if you choose that, you can add on anything that you want. There are several beginning intro kits that are available that aren't a part of the enrollment kits. So you would choose your $35 membership fee and you would add whatever oil that you want to start. You don't have to start out with an enrollment kit. But the enrollment kits are really a great way to get started because they bundle different items together for a discount, and it includes the $35 membership fee. So you don't have to do both. So if you start out with a kit or you just start out with a $35 membership, that is totally up to you. Once you put everything in your cart and you pay, you're going to get a welcome email, and I'm going to get an email that tells me that you have joined our team. So I look forward to that. It's going to have some contact information on there, and I'll reach out to you as soon as I get this email. One thing I do want to mention, though, we kind of talked about the loyalty rewards in the beginning. The loyalty rewards program with doTERRA is kind of like the frequent flyer program, if you want to think about that. doTERRA wants you to buy products, and by buying products, you're going to get rewarded. So I'm going to flip my screen really quick just to share with you one more thing right here. So the loyalty rewards program, and I'm going to minimize this just so we can chit chat a little bit. So the loyalty rewards program is really giving you free products for being a loyal customer to doTERRA. That's what this boils down to. You're going to earn product credits that can be used towards the purchases of doTERRA products. So when you create your account with doTERRA and you start your order, whether or not it's the $35 enrollment kit or you buy a bundle starter kit, it's going to ask you, do you want to create a loyalty rewards order at this time? And this is why you would do it. So you set up your loyalty rewards. You pick the month, you pick the date that you want your order to ship, and then you pick the products that you want to go inside that order. And there's a couple of ways to earn free products. So if you order between 1 PV, which is a point value is equal to about $1. It's usually 1 PV per $1 when it comes to essential oils and blends. Other products have different ratio of dollar value to point value, and you can see that on each one of your orders. So if you put between 1 PV and 49 PV, you're not going to earn any free stuff or earn product credits. It's when you order more than 50 PV in your order. So an order of more than 50 PV will start accumulating points, a percentage of points that you will earn back. So let me get down to this section. So earning loyalty reward program. So when you get started, most people start out with a 10% credit back. So 10% of what you purchase, you're going to get back in free points to buy oils. And that is months 1 through 3, as long as you have more than 50 PV in your cart. Months 4 through 6, you're going to start earning 15%. Months 7 through 9, 20%. Months 10 through 12, 25%. And anything over 13 months, you're going to earn 30%. That's the maximum savings you can earn inside this program. I am at 30%. Anything that I purchase through my loyalty rewards over 50 PV a month allows me to get 30% back in free points, which is pretty awesome because I normally order anywhere between 100 and 200 PV a month because I get my laundry detergent, I get my shampoo, I get my vitamins and supplements, I get my household cleaning products. I use a lot of doTERRA products because I believe in them and they're amazing and wonderful. And then with that order, I get 30% back in free points to spend however I want in the back office with free products. So each month, I'm accumulating typically between 30 and 60 points a month for free products, and that can add up to some pretty significant savings. Now, there is a product of the month that's available when your loyalty reward totals 125 PV or more, and you order it before the 15th of the month. So 2 rules, 125 PV and 15th of the month, you're going to get the free product of the month. And every first of the month, we get to learn what the free product of the month is. This month, the free product of the month is Breathe. Breathe is our blend that's mixed with wonderful peppermint and eucalyptus, helps open up our airways, and we get a lot of respiratory support with it. So if you order more than 125 PV before the 15th of the month, then you would get that free product of the month. And we always get the announcement on the first of the month, or the first of the month, to know what that free product is. So there's some wonderful, this loyalty rewards program is wonderful. If you like to earn free stuff, a lot of us use our, frequent flyer programs that are available through companies, but doTERRA's reward program is pretty impressive. So I just really encourage you to take a look at the enrollment kits and see if there's one that might fit your budget and your need. They're wonderful bundle kits. I personally enrolled 3 years ago with a Family Essentials kit. It's the top 10 essential oils. They come in 5 milliliter bottles, and it was a great starter kit. There is another starter kit that I love for people on a budget. That is the Aroma Touch. It actually comes with a diffuser and coconut oil and 8 wonderful essential oils. You can get started on your journey. And then there's other starter kits. You can get the Home Essentials kit. That is the same top 10 oils that the Family Essentials kit has, but they're bigger bottles. They're 15 milliliter bottles instead of 5 milliliter bottles. So it's less than double the amount. It's $275, but it's triple the oils. So it's definitely a bang for your buck if your budget will allow that. There's a Natural Solutions kit that's available. That's a wonderful kit if you're ready to add the vitamins into your life, add cleaning products and shampoo and conditioner, and there's a lot of essential oils. It comes with a wonderful Lumo diffuser that can provide a large room, a large space with these wonderful essential oils through aromatherapy. So there's a lot of options, guys. I just go through, take a look, and see which one might fit your budget, and get started. I encourage you to get started. I'll reach out to you as soon as I see that email come through. You guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you soon.